What's up, my friends? All right, so we are back at it. So the last time was really hard because it was such a small canvas. We're gonna mess with this one real quick, and it's kind of fun to watch these paint smears come together and come to life. So I'm gonna use the really big one, and we're gonna get on this. I got a big giant clump there, so I kind of work this down to the edge. And we're just doing the background at this moment. And so we'll kind of work back in and grab some of these things for colors. I'm going to add some colors on top of it. I love me some magenta, so we're going to use magenta, a blue that I'm going to use cerulean blue, and I don't normally use cerulean blue. And I love it. It's actually super energetic, and I really like that. Yeah, needed a little bit more white. And in this place, and over here. Probably too much, but it'll be fine. I'm just trying to get a good background for us. Nice. And we're just really just trying to build up some texture. Somebody mentioned that that they don't get this type of painting. It's totally okay. So all we're trying to do is create pleasing patterns, kind of like acrylic pouring. All we're trying to do is create pleasing patterns, and now you can definitely, oops, sorry about that. A little bit adjustment so we can get as much. There we go. All we're really trying to do is get a lot of patterns, find some fun colors to go over it. I'm trying to cover most of the canvas right now. I don't think we can stop there. I still have a few little bits peeking through, but that's okay. Let's do yellow. Oh. Okay, I dropped it in my paint, didn't matter. Yellow in a couple spots. And the cerulean blue is coming out. I want to do a lot of cerulean blue and a lot of magenta. And kind of pull the yellow back through it. Awesome. I've gone through a ton of this cadmium yellow, and I've gone through a ton of this magenta. I just absolutely love them. I love those colors. They're gorgeous. So beautified. Oh man. And Cerulean Blue by Winsor & Newton, Galleria Acrylic. I actually really like. Ooh. It's very creamy. All right. And so this canvas right here is a 10 by 15. I'm gonna need more blue than that, actually. And this blue and purple, blue and magenta is gonna make some purple. A little bit more purple there. Okay. So I'm not even entirely sure. By the time I start this, I know some people have already gotten their composition together, but I'm kind of really just going on, trying to be in the moment and creating what feels good in that moment. I think sometimes it'll bite me and sometimes it'll really work out in my favor and kind of stumble upon some amazing things. The only downside to that is you kind of got to really be paying attention for art that I guess accidental art you could call it. It's actually kind of pretty right there. Oh, so the person that said that that they didn't get this specific style of art, that's totally. She did say she liked it. So even if you do get like a quote unquote get it, she was very supportive and she's like, but I like it. So I don't want to paint anybody out to. Okay, so actually let's maybe cut lines. Actually, I don't like those lines. I'm going to erase them. And so, what do we need here? There's a lot of... Okay. So I've got blue on my knife right now. I want to take this blue, kind of make it feel like it connects through this. And so it kind of comes down. So I've got some blue on there already. I gotta be careful not to over swipe this. And okay. This one needs a little bit more blue. But right through here, oops, sorry guys. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I don't know what I'm doing. I'm trying new things. I'm sure you can tell I don't know what I'm doing. Reinforce that one. And top of that line a little bit. Okay. I think that should be good. Now, oh, somebody's calling me. Sorry, I'm gonna have to decline for the moment. There we go. And okay. This is kind of fun with its uh, Okay, then we're going to add back in white. It needs white now. Okay, that's okay. It's okay. So we come back through with white. And this is also Winsor Newton Gallery acrylic. And I'm just going to apply it to the edge. Man, that's a dirty palette knife. I don't want to wipe that on my paint tubes. We're going to use another one. A different one. One that's clean yet. Until I rubbed my fingers on it. Okay. Just getting it on the tip here, just like that. Oh man, I don't know what. I'm gonna do some like scrawl on it. Nah. So we're gonna just come through and incorporate that into some lines here. Yeah. Actually, I really liked it when it was just white and black. You know what? We're going back to white and black with some color popping through instead of the color being the main thing. Yeah, so at this point you're like, dude, make up your mind. Okay. Oh, all right. Oh man, it's kind of interesting there. Not what I was looking for, but it's interesting. I wonder what would happen if I took just white. Man, I'm going through paint like crazy. I'll be surprised if this doesn't craze, because it's crazing. I'll show myself out. So what I'm doing is just feeding, and this is driving me nuts, and I'm sorry, and I wish I would have. Sorry, area. I wish I would have paid attention to if there was any wet paint on my palette knife before starting to do that. Okay. And I think I'm going to do one more. Oh, sorry. I'll load it here. Okay. So here we go. Kind of interesting. I can't get more on there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm about done messing with stuff. But okay. I forgot how to talk. I just realized I wasn't talking. So you want to know what's funny? The other day somebody said, "Will, you sound like an insecure gay guy." I'm like, okay, thank you. It was one of the weirdest things I've ever heard somebody say to me. "Will, you sound like an insecure gay guy." And to that, I say, shut up. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. I know it was all a little bit crazy, a little bit unfocused, and I wasn't sure what I was doing. Next time we do something, we're going to have a plan. It's going to be awesome. I'm painting inside now because I don't have like a super great place to paint in this temporary place we're living in while we have a house built for us. So nice painting it's been. I'll probably, when my family isn't home, I'll do some alcohol inks. Pouring's kind of a little rough right now just because, well, carpet. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Y'all the best. Would you like and maybe comment on this real quick? I'd really appreciate it. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching, and here's a little bit more of the painting before we go. That's fun.